Welcome to part 2 of the General Studies 225 web research tutorial using Wikipedia in your research. To begin, we'll go to the Wikipedia homepage. You can either type wikipedia.org or search for Wikipedia on Google and click on your first result. Wikipedia's search box is at the bottom of the page, and like with our Google search, we'll start by just entering some simple keywords. As in my last search, I'm going to use offshore oil drilling as my subject, and click the arrow button to see your results. Wikipedia took me directly to the page, and there are some things we should look at right away. First of all, I've highlighted that Wikipedia thinks that this article needs additional citations for verification. Not every article will say that. You'll notice that there's a summary of the article at the top, and in a box on the left is a table of contents telling you what you can expect to find in the rest of the page. As we scroll down, we'll see the different sections of this article, and at the very bottom we'll get some important information too. First of all, Wikipedia gives you a list of related articles under See Also, and finally they give you a list of references that are cited in the article, and these are non-Wikipedia sources to which the article refers. Here's a tip for using Wikipedia successfully. A good Wikipedia article will always document the sources that it uses for the information found on the page. Use those sources to verify what you've read and find additional information too. Let's check the sources for the article that we've been examining. I'm going to click on the first reference here and see where it takes me. It opens a new web page, which is the history of offshore oil and gas development in Louisiana. It appears that this website is from a government agency, so we can trust its reliability. Looking at some of the other references, we'll notice that there are different materials, including number 8, which is a video. However, when I click on the link, it says it's not found. This is a dead link for a website that's no longer available. Similarly, I'll click on History of Offshore Oil Wells, number 4, and I find that this isn't even a link to a website, but rather to a Google search page that's no longer accurate. What have we seen from this Wikipedia entry? Well, the sources here are not well documented, and the message at the top even says we need additional citations. Some of the sources it directs us to are no longer active, and there are only a few good sources cited for this page. My verdict on this article is that it has flaws. I would only use contents from this page that could be verified elsewhere. But let's look at another Wikipedia article that might show us some different results. I'm going to search for one on a related topic, which is the BP oil spill from 2010. So I'm going to type that in the search box and click the magnifying glass. And it brings me to another Wikipedia article. Unlike our last article, which needed additional citations, Wikipedia tells us that this one might actually be too long instead of too short. Notice how detailed the table of contents here is. What I'm going to do is click down to the references to compare to our last article, which only had 8. Here we see that the references go on for quite some time, and that actually there are over 400 different sources to which this Wikipedia article refers. So what's our verdict on this page? Well, this is a very long and comprehensive article. There's going to be lots of information to sort through, but it could yield some useful results. Our conclusion is that no two Wikipedia articles are the same, and what we should look for is to pay attention to the links, the references, and the disclaimers from Wikipedia to help us judge the content that we find.
This concludes the General Studies 225 web research tour. Thanks for watching.